Hi guys, today we'll tell you about Web 3.0 gaming. Something has changed about the gaming space. It used to be that players expanded the world they have access to through their in-game achievements. Progress was dictated by time spent in the game. Grinding to increase your stats was rewarded with rare items that could not be unlocked in any other way. Friends would come together both in person and online to show off their new unlocks. Game score or equivalent could be used to track those who took their gaming seriously in a fair and equal way. The only payments needed were time, patience, and enthusiasm. Yet, in the recent years, a worrying trend has emerged. There has been a shift away from building immersive games that grow in scope as the player progresses. Gone are the days of unlocking new worlds based on skill alone. It used to be that gaming was a space for anyone to be whoever they wanted to be. Irrespective of background or bankroll, that is no longer the case, and we find ourselves trapped in an era of pay to play games, microtransactions, and loot boxes. Gamers choose to invest their time in the games that they love only to have their gameplay experience ruined by ads, pop ups, and forced videos keep shattering the illusion, forcibly jerking the player back to reality. Even if these games are lucky enough to be able to pay to experience what they should be able to in the first place, there is no ownership of their assets. What happens in one game stays in that game. What is unlocked in one game stays in that game. What is bought in one game stays in that game. When the player eventually moves on to a new virtual world, their investments in time, skill, and money are as good as lost. This is not how it should be. Technology, gaming included, evolves at the speed of light. Keeping up with all of the developments in one space is exhausting enough, but keeping up with all of it is almost impossible. If you had your eyes on the horizon, you know that change is coming and you know that change is going to be huge. Web 2.0 technologies and platforms capture a huge amount of user data with an equally large amount of value. The problem is the user does not benefit from this value, having to pay to progress in the games they love, which the platforms they use profit from monetizing information about their behavior. Value is extracted from the creator instead of being shared with them. This is about to change. Web 3.0 is here and it's going to change everything. Blockchain, cryptocurrency, DeFi, NFTs, and DAOs, they come together to form a fundamentally different way of doing things. And in the gaming context, these technologies are transformative. Gone are the days of pay-to-play games. We have entered the era of play-to-earn. The revolutionary games no longer exist in walled gardens, but instead make up their own immersive realities, the metaverse. These games transport the player into a new universe, empowering them with the same sense of exploratory purpose and adventure the gaming space used to be all about. Thank you.